Good afternoon. Today we have scheduled a Pre-Procurement Conference for two projects, 26IE 0019 and 26IE 0020. To begin with, we have prayer first by Jesus Alvarez.
Almighty and loving Father, thank you for this precious time that you have given us. We praise the word of your souls into your hands. We come to you asking for your guidance and instruction for successful Pre-Procurement Conference. Everyone, invite our minds to pray for the word and ask you.
Roll call. Jesus Alvarez, Back Secretariat General Arnold Cabanchis, Head of the Back Secretariat, Engineer DPWH Claro, Back Welfare, Engineer Leyte, Back Vice Chairman, and also the end user from the construction section, and yours truly, Back Chairman DEO from the we have here for two projects. So this is IE0019, construction of concrete bridge in Barangay-Bawod, Isidro, and 26IE0020, construction of Junction National Road, Barangay-Basud to Barangay-Banat Road, Station 0 plus 0, Station 0 plus 600, also in San Isidro. And this project is part of the required 2026 Areas of Operation Act. And for 26IE0019, this is a construction of 13 linear meters concrete bridge with an area of 143.1 square meters. This is a concrete superstructure with driven piles. The major items of work is for the bridge construction. We have the precast concrete piles, also test piles, and piles. Also, this has a clean concrete. This is a complete permanent concrete bridge. For 26IE0020, construction of GR Barangay-Basud to Barangay-Banat in San Isidro, Leyte. There will be approved budget for the contract for the concrete bridge Barangay-Bawod, San Isidro, Leyte. This has an EAC of 13,850,339 pesos and 56 centavos. With contract duration of 163 calendar days. And for the road construction, physical target 1.2 lane kilometer. This is a gravel to concrete road. This is a road construction PCC point 23 centimeters thickness of concrete with construction of box culvert and slope protection. This is a one line of reinforcement box culvert with all parts of the road is stone masonry slope protection. With the weight of the PCCP is 3.05 per day. So that is just 6.1 weight for 2 layers and 23 centimeters thickness is the carriage. With also we also I did 100 shoulder 200 millimeters thick with 5.5. The major items of work for this road construction is of course the PCCP. This is the surface course for touching concrete. And we have also pavement and reinforced concrete box culvert with and this has an approved budget for the contract of 18,910,079 and 54 centavos with 91 calendar days. And this budget is also compliant with the alignment of the approved PPMP and EPP of the City Office. For the procurement readiness, for the review of bidding documents, elimination of evaluation and award criteria, selection of award method, the procurement schedule, the confidentiality measures will be discussed by Engineer Arnold Patches and the box secretary.
These projects which we have developed today have two class documents. The class A documents, we have the legal documents. The investigators or the contractor should have a valid heritage registration certificate, platinum membership, all pages and organization 20.2.9 and 20 hours preparation. Also, the the contractor should have list documents, statement of the prospective bidder of all its ongoing government and private contracts, including contract awarded but administrative, FTE, whether similar or not similar nature, and complicity the contract statement of the bidder single largest equated contract. Pickup listings, procedure copy of security, budget requirements, which shall include the following: organization research, list of contractors, key personnel, list of contractors with transaction, general latest information sets, original duly signed omnibus sworn statement, sworn disclosure of relations. And the Class B documents, the financial documents, that the prospective bidder should have a complete application of the net financial contracting capacity of the FCC. The couples to design and implement in accordance with RA number 4566 and 8, implementing rules and regulations in case of the future, supervisory and existence or duly authorized statements. The contractors should have the original or duly signed and mortgage financial bill forms, original or duly signed bid prices, and bill of quantities, duly accomplished data estimates form, cash flow by quarter, and the production records, budget PM and bar chart with score equipment utilization schedule and manpower schedule. Finish all.
And for the confidentiality measures, the procurement process of these projects is confidential to the public. And for the applicable rules, sanctions, and penalties, this is in Rule 20 of the ARR of Republic Act 12009. The Rule 20 is the administrative sanctions, or the Section 92 is the administrative liability of public officers. Section 93, jurisdiction. Section 94, preventive suspension. Section 95, lifting of suspension of removal of administrative liabilities. Section 96, civil liability in case of infraction. Section 97, damage. For Rule 21, suspension and blacklisting. Section 98, administrative liability of private entities. This is with the contractor side. Section 99, imposition of suspension. Section 100, imposition of blacklisting. And Section 100.1, during procurement or contract implementation, is under the imposition of blacklisting. Section 100.2, during procurement, and 100.3 during contract implementation. For Section 101, imposition of blacklisting with perpetual disqualification. Section 102, suspension of bidder pending blacklisting proceedings. Section 103, status of suspended or blacklisted bidder. Section 104, decision of action and subsequent procedure. Section 105, extent of administrative sanctions. And also Rule 22, legal assistance and indemnification package for back members and support staff. This is in case of the back needs the legal assistance. The back of the region and the secretary. So, is there any questions or clarifications at this pre-procurement conference? And then we have an announcement.
Announcement. Tomorrow, May 26, 2026, at exactly 1 o'clock in the afternoon, we will have a pre-opening for 4 projects. But the all bids must be received by the Bids and Awards Committee Secretariat on or before May 26 at 10 o'clock in the morning, and late bids will not be accepted. The 4 projects to be out tomorrow are the following: the 26IE009 Asset Preservation Program Preventive Maintenance, Calgary Roads, Calgary Junction, San Isidro, Banat Road, kilometer 1047 plus 103 to kilometer 1048 plus 00, kilometer 1048 plus 456.9 to kilometer 1050 plus 00, kilometer 1050 plus 097.50 to kilometer 1050 plus 899.40, and kilometer 10 plus 590.50 to 10 kilometer 1053 plus 609 Balite. This project has an ABC of 17,329,339 pesos and 59 centavos. The second project to be out tomorrow is the 26IE0010 or 10 Bridge Program widening of permanent bridge, the bus bridge B00088LP along Limon Leyte Road, Barangay-Basud, Leyte. This project has an ABC of 23,083,889 pesos and 3 centavos. The third project will be out tomorrow is the 26IE0011 Asset Preservation Program Rehabilitation, Reconstruction, Upgrading of damaged paved road, tertiary roads, and Rosario Villama Road, kilometer 1006 plus 00 to kilometer 10007 plus 100, kilometer 10007 plus 779 to kilometer 10008 plus 100, kilometer 10008 plus 334 to kilometer 10008 plus 923, kilometer 1011 plus 435 to kilometer 1011 plus 720, kilometer 1011 plus 991 to kilometer 1012 plus 090, kilometer 1013 plus 1000 to kilometer 1014 plus 046, kilometer 1014 plus 109 to kilometer 1014 plus 123, kilometer 1014 plus 136 to kilometer 1014 plus 222, and kilometer 1014 plus 686 to kilometer 1014 plus 757 to get to the Balite. This project has an ABC of 52,148,158 pesos and 54 centavos. The last project to be out tomorrow is the 26IE0012 Road Concreting Barangay-Basud, Station 0 plus 00 to Station 0 plus 200, located in Balite. This project has an ABC of 9,603,973 pesos and 23 centavos. That's all.
For any questions or clarification regarding these 2 projects, you may proceed to the procurement unit of this office or the planning and design section for your questions and clarifications regarding these projects. Since there's no other matters to be discussed, this pre-procurement conference is now adjourned.